What's up, you guys? How is it going? I thought I'd make a quick little video for my Boxycharm this month of July. I got this in and I'm pretty excited to see what is in it. So how about we just jump right into it and open this sucker up. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Okay, we've got, first and foremost, we have the card that comes with them, the Boxycharm every month, and it just has a description of what all's on there. But I like to, you know, keep it a surprise. And it has the prices and everything on there, which is pretty awesome. So I noticed that there's a coupon for a flash facial at Ulta. So that's kind of cool. $10 off. Pretty nifty. Ooh. Alright, let's start with our first item here. And it's Luxie brushes. And it says, Gaea, unleash your true beauty. And so be kind of the earth. So they're playing on the Greek mythology of Gaea. I think the personification of earth, Mother Nature, along those lines. I actually learned that through the game God of War. But of course, I mean, I'd learned that before from like just Greek mythology. But I think Luxie is going for the whole clean and help the environment and environmentally conscious by putting it in this kind of paper. Looks like it would probably be degradable packaging, which is pretty cool. So this looks like they're normal brushes, but I noticed that the handle is like wood and you can see the wood grain on it, which is pretty cool. I'm guessing that's some sort of synthetic hairs here. And it looks like there's a foundation brush. There is a precision crease brush, which is always nifty, and then this one is a large eye blending, which looks awesome. So these are three really cool, nifty, convenient, useful brushes, and from what the packaging says, not too bad for the environment. Let's see what the card says about these brushes. So Luxie Gaea 3-piece brush set. They don't go into detail about how they're eco-friendly, but the packaging and then the wooden handles kind of give it away. And actually these retail for $30. So right there, your box is worth $21 a month and these are $30. So that's pretty nifty. They feel nice and very soft. I used to have brushes from a long time ago that I'd used for years, and I finally have just been clearing them out. There's some that I still keep because they're old trusty. I have this really big blush brush that I just can't get rid of for some reason because I love it. But for the most part, I've been replacing all my brushes with these great Luxie brushes and different types of brushes that I get from my Boxycharms or my Ipsies and my other beauty subscriptions. You know, you can clean your brushes very often and take good care of them, but sometimes you do have to part with brushes after a certain amount of time because there's only so much of cleaning that you can do, and things build up over time that the residue in there would be something that after a certain amount of time you probably wouldn't be able to thoroughly clean. So it's good to always, you know, change them out every now and then. Okay, our next, I almost said ingredient. Our next item is, okay, are these wipes? Because I just ran out and I was like, I need some wipes. Okay, so I'm glad, cleansing spa water. It's by Do. Is this like, oh, look at that. I didn't even I was like, this stuff looks natural too. Hello, it says au natural on the Boxycharm card. I should have probably looked into that. But yeah, so they're going for a natural theme. Sometimes they do have themes for each month. So that's their theme for this month. And it says that these are convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths, remove waterproof makeup and impurities. So yes, they're makeup removing wipes, which is great and it's very convenient. And this retails for 17 buckaroonies. Jeez Louise. They better wipe my face good. Okay, hold up. What we got here? Here's number 3. We have Elemis Super Vital Veggie Mask. Nourishing prebiotic green mask Wow, okay, 35 bucks for this.
Jeez.
Get a shot of green goodness with the treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for a softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. Pretty cool. $35 here for this mask. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Maybe they don't want you to stain a white cloth. But anyway, pretty nifty. I wonder what it looks like. Nice. It smells like, you know, cream. And it has a slight green hue. Pretty cool. And I like Elemis. Let me just wipe that off. I got a mini mask on my hand just then. Ooh, you know what? Let me try one of these out and see what it's like. This is going back to number 2. We've got... Wow, it doesn't really have that much of a scent. Oh, and it feels nice on my skin, and it seems to be removing makeup. So that's pretty cool. And we can test that if there's anything else. Oh, moving on, we've got our third item, and I can tell by this packaging it's Ofra. Yep, it is Ofra liquid lipstick, and it is in the color Santorini. Creamy, soft texture, moisturizing the lips, creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. So this is, it retails for $20. Let's do the ultimate test and see if... First I'll swatch it here. Ooh, that's bright. Oh, but you know, it's not totally opaque. It has a little bit of a sheen to it. Oh, I see. Oh, wow, that's cool. It's not totally opaque. So let's now see how well these wipes work in removing. Oh, not bad. Took it off. That's pretty nifty. I wonder, last time I put lipstick on camera. Oh, wait. Let me remove this lipstick. And put on a little bit of this. Oh wow, it feels nice. It's sheer. It's not as opaque as I thought it would be, but it does have like a nice pigmentation. It looks good, I like it. Let me check my teeth. Last time I put makeup on while doing a video, it was just in my teeth the whole time. Oh wow, I like it a lot, and it's sheer, but it still has a lot of pigmentation. Sorry, I'm using my my phone. I have a little mirror plate that I have on my phone, and I have a clear case, and I call it my vanity plate. So that's why I keep looking at this. Sorry, I'm not texting and recording. But anyway, yeah, the lipstick. The lipstick. I like it. It feels nice. My lips don't feel dry. So that's what I'm most excited about. Yeah, look at that. It passes the kiss test for the most part. I like it. And it's a nice color. Yay! I'm excited about that. Cool. Oh, did I tell you guys how much this retailed for? 20 bucks. 20 bucks right there. And I noticed Ofra has changed their look a little bit. So they have cute little like rectangular packaging. It's pretty sleek, I'd say. Okay, our last item, and it looks like Butter London. I'm thinking it might be some eyeshadows or something in here. I love this packaging. It's so cute. It's like wood with flowers on it. Almost looks like cherry blossom, but no, they're not. Maybe roses or something. Some sort of flower. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh wee! What? Nice. Oh, these look. Oh wow, look at these colors. That's cool, they're pretty. Oh, cool. So let's see what it says. So this is called the Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. It has 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades, and they're cruelty-free, which is good. Bring out your inner goddess. This retails for $32. Pretty cool. We should totally do a little swatch and see how these look. So, I'll get some of these colors. Oh wow, and those are showing up nicely. Wow, that is cool. That is pretty. Let's see how good the oh, and you know what? This little wiped it off real nicely. Well, I'd say that is a good haul. There's some really nice colors in here that I could have fun with. I'm excited about this Femme Fatale. It's like a soft blue that I'd be down to try something with. I like it. I like this little palette. It's a nice little palette. It's always so hard trying to get all the products. Okay, sorry. Okay, here we go. I feel like I could hold this a little less awkwardly, but here is what I had in my July Boxycharm box. I'd say it's a pretty good haul, and I'm excited about them. I'm excited about the brushes, and I'm very excited about this palette. And I'm very pleasantly surprised with this. Not saying that I had any bad expectations. It's just that sometimes you never know with lipstick, but this, it went on and it wasn't totally opaque, which was pretty surprising to me, and it feels nice. My lips aren't dry at all. And so yeah, I'm excited about this month. I think it was a good month. Boxycharm is always great, and actually, you know what? Let's tally this sucker up to see how good we did this month. So we have 35 plus 32 plus 30 plus 20 plus 17. 134, which is pretty amazing considering that this box is $21. So its value is 134. That is exciting. I am pretty pumped about this box. Please let me know what you guys got if you do get Boxycharm. Sometimes you can get different things and there can be variations. I think maybe one or two can be different or something along those lines from what I've seen before. So let me know what all you got, or let me know if you're considering getting it, because I definitely recommend them. I hope you guys had a fun time hanging out, and I'll see you later. Ow! I just scratched my eyeball and I had something on my finger. Hold on. Roll with it. I hope the audio is recording.